Everybody's doing well. Hope everybody had an amazing weekend. Give me some fives in the chat if you can see me. Sevens in the chat if you can hear me. Fives and sevens. Let's go. All right, perfect. Eights in the chat if you see my screen. Eights if you see my screen. Five, sevens if you can hear me and see me. Can you see my screen? Eights in the chat if you can see my screen. Five, sevens if you can hear me and see me. Awesome. Thank you so much, Paris. Appreciate it. Five, sevens in the chat if you can hear me and see me. And eights if you can see my screen. Let's go. Thank you, Kyla. James, Lisa, good morning. How are you guys? Hope you guys are doing well. All right, let's jump in here. Let's see if we can catch a quick bag. I'll be honest, this is obviously, we have the holidays coming up at the end of this week. We're definitely going to just be patient. I think that, anytime that there's a holiday, anytime that, volume tends to be a little bit lower, we simply just want to be patient. We just want to be more patient. That's all that we want to do, is just want to be patient and just find the right opportunity for us. Okay. So again, as you can see on my screen here, and let me get into a different setting here for my people on Facebook, my people on YouTube. We're on Twitch. Thank you so much. All right, guys, I keep this very simple. As you can see on my screen right here, I literally have a 5-minute chart. That's all that I have up, okay? And I'm literally gonna go in and I'm gonna put bank zones. That's all I'm going to do, okay? I'm gonna put bank zones around the area that we're at right now, okay? 32,950, 32,900, okay? All right. All right, cool. So we have 4 bank zones. Okay, 4 bank zones. That's all that these are. Simple. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for this thing to pull back up. Okay. I actually like this zone right here. I actually like this 32,950 area. Okay. Obviously, we're dropping right now, but I'm going to be honest with you. I like this area. I like this area. So we're going to go here. We're going to look at this. We're going to pull this rectangle. We're going to come from this zone here. And we're going to come to the top. Actually, we're going to okay. So this is kind of what I'm looking for. Is I'm looking for this to pull back in here. This is obviously, keep in mind, this is our halfway point as well. This is our halfway point as well. Yeah, that's our halfway point. Right, that's our halfway point. Okay, of this zone. 32,950 and 32,900. This is our halfway mark. Okay, I'll be honest with you. My broker is about 25 points off. Okay. So this right here is reading about 904. My broker's at 924. So again, like this is going to be our bank zone, to be honest with you. This is most likely going to be our bank zones on most of your brokers. Okay. And actually, I'm not going to keep this as tight. I'm not going to keep this. We're not going to come all the way back up there. Because we're just going to get in and get out, to be honest with you. This is going to be a short session. Obviously, there's actually quite a bit of volume this morning to be surprising. Honestly, I mean, this is a holiday weekend, a holiday week. You know, a lot of people are traveling. So again, here's the deal. We're gonna get in here. We're gonna get in here. I'm in. I'm in. Sell. I'm in. Sell. I'm in. Sell. I'm in. Okay. Let's go. Big drop. Guys, honestly, I'm about to be done with this session. We're about to be done with this session. I'm going to start closing some of these out. Big drop. Boom. Out. All right, we're closing, guys. We're closing. We're done with this session. We're done with this session. That's it. I don't know who got in. I don't know who got in. I got in. I got in. I don't know who got in, but I got in here. And we are done. Literally, we're done. We were literally done in a minute, guys. We were literally done in a minute. That's it. That's it. She came in. She did what we needed to do. She fell her face, and we got a bag. I took 5 trades, 5-0, guys. 38.52 for the morning. That's it. We're done. That's it. That's it. That's it, guys. We don't complicate things here. We keep things just very simple. We came in with the mindset, we expect to win, and that's what we do. Honestly, like we were literally 6 minutes into this thing. We literally saw that she touched our point at the end of this candle, and then literally that next candle, she fell, and we got a bag. 5-0, 997 profit. Kyla 4-0, amazing. And again, I know that was very quick, guys. I know that was very quick, but that's as simple as it is. I saw that she was respecting this. I saw that she was respecting this, okay? And I literally just marked up off of that. That's all that was. And as you can see here, bank zone, this is a 50% mark of that bank zone, our money line, and literally she came in, came above this next candle, she freaking bounced. Okay, we got 2 minutes left on this candle. Let's see what she does. Okay, let's see what she does. Okay, the one thing that you guys want to be careful with is these wicks to the bottom side. Okay, these wicks to the bottom side. Obviously, the buyers are coming in, and that's what these wicks are demonstrating. And that's what these wicks are demonstrating, okay? Again, here's the deal. She's respecting this line. She's respecting this line. If she comes back in here, guys, again, I'm done for the day, but if she comes back into the zone here, okay, get in and out. Get in and out. Let her give you 5 to 10 points and get out, okay? That's it. But I'm telling you guys, like we just marked her. We couldn't have marked it up any more simple than that, guys. I mean, that's as simple as it is we literally just marked up where she was going to come in. We had it marked up all the way up here, but she hadn't demonstrated that she was tapping that. Okay, she wasn't coming all the way up there. So we brought it down to the top of this wick here. Okay, we brought it to the top of this wick. What did she do? She wicked into this area, and then this candle, she fell. And again, We could still be in that trade, but we're not. We're out. We're out. Any questions, guys? Like, again, I'm open for some questions. I know it happened very quick, but again, guys, like, honestly, in these sessions, that's what we're looking for. Is we're just looking to get in and out. We're not here to spend, the next, hour. Like, again, like, I don't know about you guys, but honestly, like, I learned this skill set so that I can have time freedom. And what I simply have done is simplified this thing to where literally, like, we were on the charts less than 6 minutes and we got a bag and we're on for the rest of our day. Do you know what I mean? So again, like, I don't watch charts. I don't analyze charts. I don't care what she does the rest of the day because I already traded my 10 minutes and that's it. And again, I say these things because I want you guys to understand that it's truly that simple. But honestly, the biggest thing that I have is mindset. I expected to win this morning. We literally came in. We knew she was falling. Okay, we picked our zone. She came into our zone, and I shot my shot. I didn't question my shot. I didn't second guess myself. I didn't question what I was doing. I literally just got in and got out. Again, there she was right there. If she falls below this money line and you're in, get out. And so again, I think, guys, this week, I think we're going to go to Wednesday. So we'll do tomorrow and we'll do Wednesday. And then I think we'll be done. You guys should be out of that trade. If you got in at that candle, that's literally that was a 10-point drop and you should have been out. So where would I get out? Okay, if she did this on me, where would I get out? My get out point would be right around here. Okay, because here's the deal. She's going to hit a ceiling right here. She's going to hit a ceiling right here and she's probably going to bounce. Okay, she's going to hit a ceiling right here and she's going to bounce. Okay. The goal is not to wait. The goal is to just get out when I'm done. Like, honestly, like, I had 5 trades open. So, I mean, if she gives me time to set up 10 points, I'll set up 10 points. But honestly, like, if she runs down, I just started closing them out. So again, like, I mean, yeah, that's kind of how I ran it, Chris. Honestly, like, I don't set take profits. I don't set stop losses. Like, if she runs 20 points, boom, I'm just going to close them. And that's kind of where, just again, I trade the same lot size every day, so I know exactly what my number is, and then I just get out. Yep. But if she gives me time, like if she's like bouncing up and down, and like she's only moved like 2 or 3 points, then I will then go in and I'll set it to maybe 10 points. But if I see that she's giving me like 8, 7. Like, I'm telling you, I'm just going to grab my bag and I'm out. I'm not going to play around with her. Yep. And that's what's nice about, obviously, MT4 is you have the control of that. Do you know what I mean? And so again, I didn't set a stop loss, but I knew that if she came up here and she ran up here, I'm out. I'm out at the top of this wick here. Okay. And again, you guys should have been out of that trade. You guys should have had a bag again. You guys should have had a bag. She's going to touch. She's going to bounce. You could possibly get maybe 5 here. Okay. Bounce if she bounces. But again, I'm already out. So guys, like, I'm not taking anything. But again, there is a ceiling here that she could possibly respect, or she's going to continue to break through it. Okay. But obviously these are levels here that she has to break in order to continue the upside. Okay. She can test these. She can correct all of this if she wants. But once she starts breaking these levels here, then that will confirm to us that she's moving to the top side. So like, for example, if you would have got at the top of this wick, that right there, that's an 8-point drop. That right there, that's a 10-point drop. What's going on, Just Harry? So again, like, we literally, guys, we were in and out. It took us 6 minutes to get our bag. We caught her down here. She's obviously, she's obviously has a big candle. And again, we expected something like this to happen. Why? Because of these wicks. These wicks, these buyers were demonstrating that they were coming in. And they just literally took over on this candle. And look, we got, how many minutes we got? We got 23 seconds left on this candle. She's about to break this zone. Okay? One or two things are going to happen. Okay? She's going to do exactly what this candle did. Try to fake us out and then continue to fall. Or she's going to come here. She's going to bounce off of this and we're going to see her continue to rise. Okay? So again, one or two things are going to happen. One or two things are going to happen. Let's check this out. Okay? So she's either going to do exactly what this candle did and fall, or she's going to go like this and she's going to go like this, or she's going to continue down like this and she's going to continue to fall. Okay? And again, what is a pattern? This candle right here. This candle right here. This is a pattern. But again, look, she did not make a new high, guys. She didn't make a new high. All she did was corrected this. That's all she did was correct it. Okay, this is US30. This is US30. We're trading US30. That's what we're doing. Okay, so again, she didn't make a new high. Okay, all she did was correct this. She corrected this big drop. That's all she did. Okay. But again, we have volume on this candle. Huge engulfing candle. Huge. Huge engulfing candle. Okay. Sellers came in. Then buyers came right back in. Buyers came right back in as the size of that wick. Okay. So, another opportunity. She could potentially come here. Okay? And fall. Okay? Because why? There's a ceiling here. There's a ceiling here, and we're still in a downfall. Okay? Until she breaks like these highs here, these are highs where like she'll continue to the upside. Okay. So again, like that's kind of in my mind what I'm going through and kind of what I'm looking at is like, what could she potentially do right here? What could her moves be? And I'm just going to be patient and wait. I'm going to be patient and wait because right now she's in between the move. Okay. Hey, you know what? Climb up here, boom, bounce, boom. Okay. Come down here, boom. I'm going to wait. Is she going to break and close? If she breaks and closes, all right. Okay, if she breaks and closes this, boom, boom, boom. So you're not faked out. Boom. So again, she breaks and closes. Let her come down, boom. Let her retest it, give you a confirmation, and boom, fall. Okay, and that's exactly what we did here, guys. Look, she came down, boom, tested, shot back up, boom, came down. We waited for the retest right here, boom. And we took literally an 8-point drop. Let me look at how many points we got, honestly. So one trade, okay. My biggest trade for the day was a 20-point drop, 9-point drop, 12-point drop, 12-point drop, and a 12-point drop. So literally, like, I had 3 12-point drops and then a 20-point. And again, I didn't set anything up. She just fell. And so when she fell, I just started closing them out. Okay? So again, guys, this is kind of like a playbook. It's kind of like, what play is she going to play? What is she going to do? Because here's the deal. She can only do one of two things. She can either go up or down. 50-50 chance, one or the other. Okay? So we just have to figure out, where is she going to go up from? What is the level she's going to respect? And that's how I come up with that. Okay? And honestly, like, I don't need to draw those lines because I see it in my mind. I see it in my head. What did she do here? Okay, guys, look. Another money line, okay? Another halfway point. She's respected this halfway point. And like I said, on some of our brokers, this is a bank zone. On some of our brokers, this is a bank zone. See, that's a bank zone. That's a bank zone on some of our brokers. Okay, that's a bank zone on some of our brokers. So all she's simply doing is respecting a bank zone. Look, she hasn't broken above. She hasn't broken closed above. And what do I mean breaking close? This body is not above this line. Okay, she's wicking above. Look at that. That's how US30 moves, guys. Look at that. She is a beast, I'm telling you. She just does not care. She does not care. Look at that. She doesn't care. And that's why just having mentally in your mind where you're going to get out. We would have gotten out right here. We would have gotten out right here. We would have been out. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Woo! Bye-bye, Charlie. She is out of here. Wow. That's why I don't hold trades. That's why I hold no trades open. Because guess what? That's why I said stop loss. She took everybody's stop loss out. All these people here, their stop loss is gone. Stop loss gone. Stop losses gone. She just liquefied everything. She came, picked up her money. Now she's gonna drop. That's what she does. I'm telling you. That's why I don't set stop losses. Why? Because electronically they know where our stop loss is. There's manipulation. If you don't believe that there's manipulation in this market, you are crazy. I'm in and out. Forex is not the market to sit and hold trades, guys. Again, this is simply just my own opinion. Okay? The Forex market, when you're trading currencies, I mean, gosh, there's no rhyme or reason. I mean, we can look at news, we can see if some news came out, but again, I don't want to do that all day. You know what I mean? I don't want to look at charts all day. I don't want to read news all day. So again, I'm going to get in, get out. Could she have done that during our move? Absolutely. And guess what? That's just how the cookie crumbles. But at the end of the day, she did it. We got a bag and we're out. You know what I mean? So again, you have to know that when you put stop losses, this electronic broker knows where you have a stop loss. This electronic broker knows where your sell limit is, where your buy limit is, where your sell stop is, where your buy stop is. I'm not going to allow them that. I'm going to watch the market, I'm going to jump in and I'm going to jump out. And I'm going to be on with my day. So cool, guys. I mean, gosh, I hope that you guys are learning some stuff. Give me some ones in the chat if you guys are getting some value. If you guys enjoy this, give me some ones. Awesome. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Again, guys, all I'm simply doing is just being straight transparent with you guys. Just being straight up honest with you guys. Like, I don't know all the terminology, and again, I'm not an educator, but I found something that works. And I found something that allows me to have the time freedom that I want to have. And it allows me to do the things and move the way that I want to move. And so again, like, it works. And again, I don't know if it works for you. Okay. You know, again, I hope that I can show you and give you hope that, again, I'm not doing anything special. I think more than anything that I come in every single morning with is a mindset. I don't expect to lose, guys. And I'm literally just going to believe in myself, and I'm going to have confidence in what I mark up for that 5, 10, 15 minutes. And again, like, all I can do is have the mindset that she's going to go in my direction. And we're out. You know what I mean? We're not playing around with this big old jump like that. We're not, you know? So cool. Awesome, guys. But again, I appreciate you guys. We'll be on in the morning. And then, like I said, we're going to test it out. We're going to see what we do. We're going to see how the market's moving. I would say probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't know how much movement there'll be. We'll play it by ear though. But again, I think one day less this week, just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think that should be good for us, a light week. And then you know, we're off to enjoy the holidays with our family, our friends, reflection time. And then next week we'll probably do the same thing, just a short week, prepare for that new year. And then man, it's time to go. It's time to get out of that comfort zone. It's time to do some things that we haven't done this year, and it's time to just kill our goals. It's time to go. It's time to make it happen, because again, you know what? We get to do this. We get the opportunity to do this, and it's time to obviously live that out. So again, guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I truly do. And again, I will see you guys at the top, because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And again, this is the most important part. Believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can. God bless each and every one of you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day. See you guys in the morning. Take care. Bye-bye.